Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should open the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here you can see the our device modes, the sound one, the vibration, and the silent mode. Here also we can just enable or disable the temporary mode. We'll change our device to the sound mode. Here we can change the ringtone, notification, and system sounds just by click here once and select one from these sounds. Here we got the volume section. We can change here the media, ringtone, notifications, and system sounds by here slide to the left or to the right side with your finger, these dots. Also we can change the volume buttons control to change the media or the ringtones. Here we got also the vibration pattern settings. We can change the call vibration pattern, the notification vibration pattern, and also we can change the vibration intensity here. Also got the system sound settings. Here we can turn on or turn off all of these options by click once on each of the switchers. Here we can enable the touch interactions, the screen lock or unlock sounds, the charging sound, the dial pad tones, the Samsung keypad tones, and also by the same way we can enable or disable the vibration in touch interactions and dialing pad tones, navigation, gestures, charging, and Samsung keyboard sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.